Let's take a look at these 8-in-1 test strips. The 8 is total hardness, total chlorine, total bromine, free chlorine, pH, total alkalinity, cyanuric acid, and salt. Now this is a saltwater pool that we've owned for 3 years. I have never, ever actually used a test strip. I always just do this by hand. I got the little chemical set, but it's kind of convenient, so I wanted to try these out. So there are 10 packages individually wrapped like that. Should be 10 in each one, though I opened up the first one and there was 11, so bonus. All right, here's what the strip looks like. You hold this side that's all white. It's got all 8 of those little color markers. I'm going to do exactly what the water instructions say. So drop it in the water for 2 or 3 seconds and slosh it around, wait 15 seconds, and then compare the colors. So I'll be right back. All right, so here's what I got. Again, I've never done this before, so I'm gonna start comparing. So it looks like right here on the side of the bottle, it goes blue all the way down to red. So I'm guessing if you orient this right, it'll be blue to the top, red at the bottom. So that is correct. So I'm going to first color, compare to these here. So like this first one is a little bit more purple. So I'm about 450 on the hardness, which is in the okay range. That's cool. Oh, this next purple is really easy. I'm definitely here at a 5, which is at the high end of the okay on the total chlorine. That's cool. All right, green. I'm gonna say I'm somewhere between the 5 and the 10. Which means I'm either okay or high on bromine. I've actually never tested for bromine before, so I'm gonna hold off on making any judgments on that one. The next one, gosh, looks like I'm in the pool okay range on free chlorine. And then I would say between 7.2 and 7.8. So I'm in the okay range on pH, but between 7.2 and 7, that's about what I always end up with. Saltwater pools are notoriously high for the pH. That's what we fight, is too high of a pH. And also the alkalinity can be all over the place. Looks like my alkalinity is a little bit high. Oh, well, okay to high, probably it's somewhere between 120 and 180. That's kind of nice to know. And then the last two, cyanuric acid, looks like I'm low to okay. No, I'm okay on that one. The low end of okay. I've never actually tested for that before. And then salt, looks like I am about 2,500 parts per million, so that would be okay, and just about what I was expecting for this time of year. All right, that was really easy. So I still like the fact that I have my little chemical kit that I use, but I'm gonna just start doing them both at the same time and see. But this was so super easy. If nothing else, it's just like if you want to do a real quick one without going to all the work of sloshing the chemicals around and all the drops. I like it. So this was sent to me for a review. I actually reached out to the company and asked them, would you send it to me? Because I wanted to try some pool strips. This is the actual very first time I've ever done it. And again, super easy. And everything that I know of my pool, these numbers are lining up. So there's no surprises and a whole lot easier. 1, 2, 3, and done. So anyway, hope that helps you. This is from a brand called Aikter. There was 100 strips in this one, or 101. And the other one, just a little bit more expensive, is for 150. I think your value is to get a bigger bottle, but I suspect this will last me a long time because I'm like at best checking once a week. So that's 100 weeks. That's 2 years right here. If I did it every single week, and I don't. So actually 100 is probably good for like 3 years. So anyway, hope that helps. I like it. All right, see ya.